Hi kids, my name is Nicole Miyuki and this is Let's Make Art, and you are joining Evie and I for a special project where we're going to be making postcards. They're blank. So grab your paper that's about this big. If you don't have this, you can cut any piece of paper and we're going to make cards. So this is our special thing of the month. It's called Let's Make Art Matter, which is where we get to make art for someone else. Because it's really special, right? When you make something, you get to give it to them. So we are going to think about someone new in your class. So if you have our zine, if you flip to page 22, you'll see that the directions are here. So we're going to be drawing a person. It could be yourself, it could be someone, but we're going to make a card to give to someone new to root them on and welcome them. So maybe so you said you were in summer school, right? Was there someone new in your class that you didn't know that was new here this time? Can we make a card for them?
Sure.
Okay.
There's two of them.
There's two of them.
To the school.
We can make, oh, that's even better. You can make two cards. So if you are not in school, maybe you think about, is there a new person who moved into your neighborhood? Or is there a new person in your family? Maybe there's a new baby that you want to say hi to and welcome. So we're gonna make a card for them. Okay, so we're gonna draw a person. So let's see. So we're gonna draw your skin again, your skin color. So you can pick whichever color you like. You can do the same color as we did last time, or you can do a different one. You can also make a character.
Ooh, yeah.
So this, and I'm also gonna need like a darker.
You wanna use this one too? We can share that one? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do a mix. Yeah.
Do you want to bring yours to the left, and Evie, do you want to bring yours to the left as well so we can see all three of them?
Yeah, let's come closer. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a color and you're gonna draw your face. So I'm going to draw it kind of more in the middle, because can you see how we're gonna add a speech bubble? So it's gonna say welcome or hi. So we're gonna draw them kind of, yeah.
To the side?
Yep, to the side. So draw that first, then you can color it in.
Wow, this is different. The paper feels different. Like
Yeah.
on the marker.
It's a little bit different. We're drawing on watercolor paper. Okay, now you have your face. Let's draw your body. So this is kind of, I like to call them stick figures. They're just kind of a fun way to draw people. So we're not drawing exactly what we look like, but we're gonna draw. So draw, if you wanna pick a color, any color.
I'm just doing random. I don't really want a dark color.
You don't know what you want?
Yeah. Ooh, good color choice.
Yeah.
Both of these. Doing both of those.
Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a shape.
I just drew a triangle.
So the cool thing is you can either draw a rectangle, you can draw a triangle. We're just drawing a shape, so that's our body. We're gonna color that in. Ooh, this is your time to decorate. You adding a color to yours? Oh yes, you drew the neck.
I drew a V-neck.
Evie, will you put yours closer to where Nicole's is?
Sorry, we keep moving.
Yeah,
Fair.
you guys are shifty.
Okay, we'll stay friends. We're gonna stay close to each other.
There you go.
We gotta be friends. Okay. I'm gonna draw stripes on mine, I think. Let's see. So I'm gonna
Draw
color.
some circles.
Yeah.
Oh, those are nice.
I want orange circles. I got this marker, so I'm doing orange.
Love it.
It has orange, so I'm using it. Okay.
Draw some
There we go.
stripes on me. Some drawing my dress. Okay, then we need some legs and some arms. So I'm gonna draw my arms just coming out. Oops,
Wrong color?
wrong color.
Uh.
My arms are the same color as my face. Yep, and then
I
we're
like
gonna draw
making little
legs.
shoes.
Yes, what color are shoes gonna be?
My
me
shoes
draw some
are
shoes too.
kind of black. They're black with little rainbow stripes.
I would do bright pink
Ooh.
shoes.
So I'm gonna, yeah, bright pink would be a good one.
Here you go. I'll draw yours. I'll draw my with rainbows.
Shoes. You do have to cover up that skin, or else it looks like it's just on the end of your foot. That's kind of weird looking.
I'm drawing your rainbow shoes.
That actually looks a lot like them.
Looks like an eye.
Kind of. It's kind of creepy. It's just looking at me.
It's okay, I'll color it in.
Yeah, it looks a lot like them.
Yeah?
I'm not wearing them right now because I can't find them.
You can show me later. I love yours. Okay, we gotta keep them. We gotta be friends. Okay, so fun. Now, you want to draw hair and eyes? Okay. So,
I'm gonna go simple. Just do a little bit of red.
Okay.
Just red. Just red. Make it simple.
I'm gonna give myself, so if you have our zine, if you flip to page 7, there will be different hairstyles that you can do, or I wanna show you all. Right here as well, I don't have this page numbered. Page 20, you will see here, there's also little ideas, or little people, ideas that you can draw as well. So I just want to show you that everyone that's there as well. Yes! Look at you, you're so fast. So I'm gonna draw myself. I like to have my hair up. So I'm gonna draw my hair up. So I'm gonna draw my bangs. I'm gonna give myself a bun. Maybe I'll add a bow, a purple bow.
Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna use this
Yeah.
black. Right now I have bobby pins in my hair. That's what I'm gonna add.
Yes,
I like that.
I love that. Good idea. Okay, now,
That's really good.
thank you. You're so sweet. Okay, now we're gonna draw a speech bubble. So a speech bubble is what you're thinking, what you're saying. So we're gonna talk and say,
You can't talk without a mouth. We should have, maybe later, we should have a little
maybe
face.
we do need some face. You're right, I forgot that step, thank you. Yes! Draw a speech bubble. Okay, and then can you show everyone how we want to draw a face?
Yeah, we'd probably just draw something simple, like maybe 2 dots and a smile.
Okay, let's do it. Dots
Simple.
and a smile. Simple.
That's
Love
kinda
it.
sad. I don't like it. I need to fix the eye. It makes it kind of look sad. I don't
Yeah, you
like-
can.
I
You can
don't
draw
like-
eyelashes.
Yeah, that's something you can do if you're a girl.
Yeah. There you go.
They're very simple little
I love it.
thing.
And then what do you want to say to the new person in your class? Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say welcome? Do you want to say, my name's Evie?
It's honestly hard to think about it. I'm just gonna say hi.
Okay, I love it. Just say
That's
hi.
what I mostly say, like right when I go into texting. Hi. I always put 3 exclamation points. So yes, hi. I'm
Hi.
very happy.
Yes. So we're saying hi. And that's it. You can decorate this more. I guess there is one more step, is if you have this, what I want you to do
little note?
is, you can flip it over and you can write a little note. Yours will look like this. If you have our box, it will have a postage stamp. And you can write if you know the person's address, or if you see them at school, you can give it to them. But just write them a little note. You're the bomb.
You the bomb.
You're the best. So you can write them a note and you give it to them. And you know what? This is such a cool thing. We'll have to make one more for the other new person in your class.
Yeah.
So this is a great way to bring people together, to share your art. And you know what's cool is that they may see this and they may ask you, how'd you do that? Can I draw that with you? And you say, yes, come join me and you can teach me, just like I brought Evie here with me today. So
There. Done. That was so simple.
that was so fast.
So simple.
You rock. I love it. Thank you for being on this with me. We hope you had fun. Always remember to be
That's like
brave, kind, and creative, and share art with others. Thanks, guys.